Hi students, today we are going to learn the third lesson in our workbook, King Canute. King Canute was the king of Denmark and England almost 1,000 years ago. He was a good king and his people loved and respected him when he worked hard for them. King Canute ruled both England and Denmark before 1,000 years. He was a good king, so his people loved him very well. Why? He ruled the kingdom and worked for his people. That's why his people loved him very well. Second paragraph. In his court, there were many courtiers who tried to flatter him. What's meant by courtier? Courtier, courtier is a person who lives in a royal court. There were many courtiers in his palace who used to flatter him, who used to praise him. They told him how great he was. They told him that he was the most powerful king on earth. The courtiers told the king that he was the most powerful king on earth. Every day they told the king this type of words to praise him. They thought that he would be pleased to hear such words. Why the courtiers told the king that he was the greatest king on the earth? Why? Because they thought that the king would be pleased. The king would like to hear those words from them. They hoped that he would be so pleased and he would give them whatever they wanted as a reward. The king was intelligent and he perfectly knew that the reason behind the words used by the courtiers because they wanted to get some benefits from the king, or the courtiers wanted to get some rewards from the king. That's why they used it to flatter him. But King Canute only listened politely to them. He knew what they wanted and why they were saying these words. He did not like flatterers. King Canute responded very nicely to his courtiers, to these people. And he knew the motive behind using such words. Actually, the king did not like the flatterers.